Hi.
Hello. Hi.
What are you doing?
Good question. Working with...
How does it lay? Is it like weird to work with, or does it feel pretty good?
I know what the master says.
Dude, this thing is not that hard to work with, to be honest.
Yeah.
Work.
So demure. Okay, give me the process for this wrap.
Hold up. I gotta figure out. I gotta take something off first. I can't be just like. This car's getting wrapped, and this guy wants a Maybach style, so he wants half of the car is gonna be in gloss black, and the other half is gonna be in satin black.
Okay.
And so we start taking the car apart, obviously, so our wrappers can get in every crevice, edge, and they can do it as professional as they can.
Yep.
And I'm just taking the front bumper apart just to make it better for them. First of all, I'm gonna start taking this harness out, and I can take all these plastics out so the front bumper can be as naked as possible. And then we'll be able to prep it, alcohol. We'll also use clay barring.
What does clay bar do?
The clay bar takes the contamination out of the surface.
Okay.
So if you have like, it's kind of like, so if your front bumper feels kind of like sandpaper,
yeah.
when you touch it, the clay bar will get rid of all that contamination, and it'll be a better surface, like a more
cleaner surface.
Yeah.
On the back.
Okay, I figured.
But there's no air release on PPF.
Okay.
And so with vinyl, it has like little channels on the adhesive. If you look at the back of vinyl, you'll see all these lines like squares, hexagons. That's the air release. So like I said, you don't have to dry it. You do a dry apply with vinyl, and all that air comes out through those channels.
Right.
With PPF, there is no air release. So the air would just get stuck. That's why you use it with water.
Okay.
And all the water, just slides out.
It's kind of cool, actually.
Yeah. And so there is adhesive. It's just you have to wait for it to dry. All the squeegee all the water out.
Yeah.
Let the adhesive dry up, and then it sticks. So just activate it differently.
Now can I get a Coke with my rum? 3, 6, 9 girls wanna drink wine. Tell the man not to waste your time. The man